What are track roller bearings? Track roller bearings, or track rollers, are support structures with a rolling element to provide rotary motion. A track roller contains a nominal ball bearing held in place by retaining ring. For usage, a track roller bearing is mounted onto a fixed point to provide radial force absorption. Based on this principle, a track roller bearing issued extensively for conveyance operations. Made from carbon steel for high durability, track roller bearings are an important feature of many automation processes across many industries. In this video, we'll look at two types of track rollers and see where they're commonly used. To start off, let's look at shaft mount track roller bearings. Similar to a shaft collar, shaft mount track rollers have a space allowance in the middle to accommodate a shaft. In using a shaft mount track roller, we first decide on the locating stop. Once the stop is located, an Allen key is used to fasten a holding screw, securing the track roller against the shaft. The ball bearing rotates and absorbs radial load. Next, we'll look at base mount track roller bearings. Base mount track rollers are produced with a round, flat base. At the center is a slot for a threaded screw which runs through the back and can be fastened onto an installation point. Base mount track rollers are installed vertically, providing a supporting point for conveyance belt operations. Next, we'll look at where track rollers are commonly used. In the first example, we can see a base-mounted track roller being used in a belt conveyor system. The track roller absorbs radial load from the moving belt and keeps the entire system running smoothly. Our next example shows multiple track rollers being used in an automated conveyance system to transport boxes. The rotating motion from track rollers work together to move boxes from one point to another. Such conveyance systems are especially useful for warehouse operations. Thank you for watching.